Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I have this external speaker that I want to put in my car for my ham radio. But the bad thing is there's no mute button on it. And where I'm going to mount this and where I have the radio mounted is in two different locations. So to make it a little easier and safer to temporarily turn the volume down, I'm going to add this switch. I think I'm going to drill a hole over here on this side because I think I have the room to do so. It's a little tight fit, but I think we can make it work. So at least this way, where the speaker will be mounted, it'll be a lot easier and safer while driving or whatever to just mute the volume if I need to. So doing this will be a lot cheaper than buying a new speaker that has a built-in mute switch. So I'll be back. Alright, so I got the hole drilled in there so my switch will fit in there really good. So now it's time to wire it up. Alright, I'm back. I went ahead and mounted the switch in there. Then I just unsoldered a lead off the speaker and soldered a lead coming from the switch. Then the cable coming from the speaker, then I just soldered onto the other wire coming from the switch. So with the switch, I'm just going to have this pushed in at all times so it can complete the circuit. Then if I want to put it on mute, I can just push that out, and when I'm done, I'll just push it back in. So it does fit. So worked out pretty well. So it's a pretty clean install and pretty simple to do and save some money. So not bad. All right, thanks for watching.